Good afternoon, I am Federica D'Ambrosio. We are now going to review the account of one of our traders, Faraz. Faraz joined our funded trader program last August on the 21st and hit his first 10% target on the 24th of November. So first of all, congratulations Faraz on this result. And let's now have a look at the equity line so that we can better understand what happened here. So since he first started, we can see a tough start for him. In fact, he almost straight away went down on his account, 4-5% down on his account. Then he managed to get back to the initial account balance in the beginning of October. And we can see from mid-October basically he started to register some profits. So we can see here on the 21st of October he was up 3% on more than 3% on his account. He held this result for a bit up to the 11th of October when basically he started to have more profits, and on the 24th he hit his 10%. From the statistics we can see an average daily return of 0.10%, an average monthly return of 3.04%, with a drawdown overall of 5.46%. Okay. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. So Faraz took 387 trades, quite a good number, with a profitability rate of 73%. Very good. He won 281 positions out of the 387 that he opened. An average win of 16 pips and an average loss of 14 pips. So 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. We can see his best trade in terms of dollar was on the 12th of November. He gained $388, and his worst trade on the 2nd of September he lost $299. Let's have a look in terms of pips. His best trade was on the 16th of August, where he won 110 pips, while on the 27th of August he lost 70 pips. Okay. From the summary, let's have a look. Okay, he also traded a bit of all the pairs. Let's have a look on which one he focused the most, and we can see here 62 position opened on the pound dollar. He gained 435 pips, resulting in 362 pounds gained. Very good. And here we can see on the euro pound he gained with the 26 trades 443 pips and $700. Very good. Let's have a look at the negative side of his position, and we can see here 13 trades on the pound Swiss franc. He gained overall 43 pips, but he lost $227 on this pair. And also here we can see 6 losing position on the euro Swiss franc. He lost 95 pips and $100 overall. Okay, let's have a look at the monthly analytics. So this was clear also from his equity line that he was down 5% on the month of August when he first started, and then we can see how he managed to recover. We can see plus 3.5% in September, 5.6% in October, and 6.18% in November. So what we want to highlight here is that slowly his gains are always better month after month, especially if we consider the beginning that he had with us. Now, let's also have a look at the average trade length, 5 hours and 31 minutes. Okay, that's a very short there. So let's see. Oh, that's really interesting because the majority of his position, we saw it was below 17 hours. So we are in front of a day trader here. Few more other positions were held for longer, maximum 2 days, and we can see how only one losing trade was held for longer than 17 hours. Only one. So this is very important to highlight. Very well done for us. Let's also have a look at the history to see how he managed the lot size since he first started with us. And yeah, 21st of August when he first started. And yeah, he went straight away full lot, and maybe yeah, he registered some losses. We saw that from the equity line. Then he started to reduce the lot size a bit. Let's have a look. Yeah, we can see maybe he divided his trades in several positions, because we can see here 0.25, 0.25, 0.10, and yeah, but no, it was yeah, it was going depending on the trades, I believe, because we can see position opened at 0.4, 0.1, 0.25, 0.05. So yeah, it changed that a bit. And we can see here on the 25th, yeah, of November, when he hit the target on his account. Okay, Faraz, very well done, and we look forward to do the second review of your account.